Maserati has done it again. They've done something that really no one else can do. This is a car that's built not just to have the best performance numbers, but also to have the most exclusive materials in the world. When you look at this car and you look at what it's capable of, not only carrying 5 passengers in some of the best comfort out there, but a car that's capable of 193 miles per hour, 523 horsepower, a braking distance of 112 feet, shift times of less than 100 milliseconds. These are supercar numbers, but the difference is when you actually get in that car and drive that car, in every sense of the word, the car has a soul. This is a car that is race ready, that's track ready as soon as it leaves the factory. When I think of Italian design, the words that come to mind are assertiveness, aggressiveness, dynamism, even seductiveness. You think of Italian designs as sexy. You've got this very, very aggressive brand new front grille, inspired by the Alfieri, our Alfieri concept race car. When you look at the athletic proportions of the car, the taut muscles, the sinews of the car, the aggressive rear flanks, that character line that goes down the side of the car, it begs to be touched and looked at from different angles. Everything is designed with the driver in mind. For model year 17 with the Quattroporte, it actually takes it to the next level, where we introduce 2 new trims, the GranLusso trim and the GranSport trim. On the one hand, you've got the GranLusso trim that, from the exterior, you've got a 20-inch Mercurio wheel, you've got an all-new bumper that's designed with some additional chrome elements, great features like adaptive cruise control, which can stop the car all the way down to 0, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, even autonomous braking. These are all standard on the GranLusso trim and available for the other Quattroporte models. For the GranSport trim, you have a more athletic and sporty aesthetic. You've got the use of more black gloss. Even carbon fiber is an option on the exterior with the GranSport. But on the interior, that's where the GranLusso really shines. A brand new Zegna silk interior, standard on the car. It's the equivalent of 4 men's silk Zegna suits with the GranSport. That's where the car also very much differentiates itself. You've got an all-new sport seat with a different design. It's got more aggressive bolstering. It's even got an integrated headrest that very much looks like a racing seat. A sport steering wheel with different thumb grips. You've got inox aluminum sport pedals. You've got aluminum shift paddles, all part of this sporty aesthetic. The Quattroporte really provides this multi-sensory experience. It's the feel of the leather, it's the smell of leather, it's the feel of the silk, underneath your hands and on the door panel. 6 different woods available in either a matte finish or a high gloss finish, even the use of carbon fiber. There's a very intuitive touchscreen that they can use. There's still a few hard keys, a few buttons that the driver can use. The new central control knob can also be used, and most importantly, you can use voice control. The designers and engineers created a cockpit whereby the driver can focus on driving and engage with the car in the way they feel most comfortable. In creating the brand new infotainment system, they created a very clean, simple, elegant design. 8.4-inch touchscreen, much better resolution, 3D maps, pinch and zoom features, things like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, standard. The car also has a standard air quality sensor, which is going to measure the pollutant and the odor levels in the car and remove them. You have almost 400 different interiors to choose from, between the leather, between the stitch patterns, between the dash and the headliner. And that doesn't even count the additional 7 trims. Maserati's building a car that really no one else is building. As a customer, when you build that car, not only will you likely be the only one in your zip code with that car, you'll likely be the only one in the country with a car like that. Everybody's in a rush. The Quattroporte begs the driver to keep driving, to take that road less traveled and enjoy the driving experience.